Ani, it's Mr. Nimki Laval, your land-based learning pal. So excited to be back here for another exciting year of on the land learning. And now we're coming to you from the high school. So what I want to talk to you about today is something amazing that's going on. A project that involves Wiikwemkoong Tourism, the Wiikwemkoong Board of Education, and the Manitoulin Streams. And what we're doing is we are engaged in the restoration of this creek habitat. And what better way to start off the year than to get our kids and our community using their hands, getting into the dirt, planting trees, cleaning up, and taking care of Shkokumekwek that takes care of us. So we're gonna be coming to you again as this project continues. We're gonna show you the little ones engaged. We're gonna show you the high school engaged. We're gonna show you the community engaged. What we're doing today is a brand new course that we're doing at the high school called Green Technologies, being taught by Mr. Marcel Recollet. And we're showcasing that being involved in green technologies and having a career in the future doesn't have to be about solar panels or windmills. It can be about your very own backyard and doing good things. So stay tuned, stay safe, and I'm going to send you off now to speak with Mr. Luke Wasagichik.
Ani, Luke Wasagichik Dijnaka is from Wiikwemkoong Tourism in Anadama Gejik. I am here at the Smith Bay Creek in Wiikwemkoong. What we're doing is part of some work with our partners Manitoulin Streams and the Wiikwemkoong Department of Lands to do a cleanup here at Smith Bay. So this is the first part of the actual work. So now the first part was collecting baseline data, doing some electrofishing. The second part was doing the enhancement strategy. So we identified areas that needed to be fixed. This is the first area that needs to be fixed. If you remember in 2019, there was a microburst in the community during powwow weekend. This area here was hit pretty hard with trees down. What it was doing, it was choking the creek, not allowing the fish to come up. So what we're doing here is we've brought in a company to come and clean up the creek along with Manitoulin Streams, and are cleaning it up pretty well. So today we're doing a tree planting exercise. But I'd just like to say, this is some of the great work that community partnerships can do. It's about giving back to the land, giving back to the beach, and doing our part as stewards of the land. So, we just ask that everyone, respects the creek. Let's try to keep it clean and continue to do our great work. Chimigwach Wiikwemkoong Board of Ed and Chimigwach Manitoulin Streams, Department of Lands, and Wiikwemkoong.
Hi, my name is Saya Deshain, and I'm the project coordinator for Manitoulin Streams. We would really like to say a chimikwich to the Board of Education to allow us to be working with Wiki High School, as well as working with Wiikwemkoong Tourism. And today we're doing continuing some riparian restoration, planting trees with the high school students. And we're doing some stream rehabilitation along Smith Bay Creek as part of our project for 2021. And once again, we're extremely excited that we have this partnership as well as with Wiikwemkoong Lands and Resources. Thank you very much.